Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you all who don't know me, my name is Sharika. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is not really a tutorial. I'm not really gonna do a talk through. I'm just getting ready for my day as always. And I wanted to give you all a little, a little life update while I'm cleansing my face and tinting my eyebrows and doing my full skincare routine. So I think the last time I gave you all an update, I was just leaving the military, which I still am, not active duty anymore, but I am in the National Guard. So the Army active duty life is no longer a priority to me. It's just something that's part-time to, keep getting my benefits or get my benefits in, the years to come. But I do have an announcement to make. I am officially a fully licensed and certified esthetician in the city of Atlanta, in the state of Georgia. I am very proud of this accomplishment. I did not think I was going to make it. There were so many times I wanted to give up. I started this journey when I was only 1 month postpartum, and I did not think I was going to make it at all. But here I am, 9 months down the road, a fully licensed esthetician and ready to get into skincare and makeup and waxing and all the things that, I love to do. This is just something that I worked for a very long time, and mentally it can be draining in the beginning. But as time go on, I just know it'll get easier. It'll get better. And, I'll get into step into different things and do different things and become a amazing business owner, help people heal their acne, help people love the skin that they are naturally in, help people do the things that they want to do, and help people just feel confident in their own skin. That's just one of my biggest goals, is to not only make people feel confident, but help people feel comfortable with the way they look, regardless if they have acne or they don't have acne, if they have acne scars or if they don't have acne scars. Because as you can see in this video, I still have acne scars. I'm still dealing with, scarring from when I had acne. From when I had acne, it's just, a beautiful thing to be able to embrace yourself no matter what flaws you may think you have. But not only, am I a fully licensed esthetician, I do have my own spa suite in Morrow, Georgia, right next door to South Lake Mall. So, it's a pretty nice, quiet location. It doesn't really have a lot of traffic, so I am building my business from the ground up. I'm not from Atlanta. I don't know anybody out here besides, my spouse and his family. So yeah, I'm just, trying to get to know people, handing out business cards, and, slowly building my clientele. I will say that it's not as easy as it may look. It's not as easy as it seems, but I'm pushing. I'm trying to get through it, and I'm doing my thing. Like, I'm just trying to remember and remind myself the big picture, and that is to be a business owner and to do the things that I love. I love skincare. I used to have the worst skin, and now it's just, the bigger picture. Like, now my skin is getting better. I'm happier about my results. I'm trying to teach people how to, take care of their skin. I'm just trucking along, and I hope that, in the future, I'm not only able to attract the right customers, but positive clients, positive people, positive energy, people who are willing to take care of their skin, show people that self-love and skincare is important. Because ultimately, it's not about, the money. It's not about spending thousands of dollars to look good. It's about being comfortable within yourself. So even if people come to me just for a simple skincare routine or a simple facial or just a start on skincare, I'm going to be happy to help them. I'm going to be happy to serve them. I'm going to be happy to be their esthetician in general. I just want to be a better version of me and help people be a better version of themselves. I want to be able to provide exceptional service. I want to be able to remind people to love themselves and that things take time. So I'm just hoping that along this journey, not only am I able to build more love for the things that I'm passionate about, but show people that they should be taking care of themselves, no matter the price, no matter, the sacrifice, none of that. But, I'm coming to the end of my video. I did want to update you all on that, that I did, I am fully licensed and certified now. I am currently waiting on my license in the mail, so that's a good thing. But I will leave all of my information in a description box. I'll leave my business Instagram handle so you all can, go check your girl out to see my services. And, I will see y'all in my next video. This is my little morning skincare routine that it's my quick skincare routine that I do in the mornings when I'm just trying to, get in and out the door. But yeah, so I'll see y'all in the next video, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you actually listen to what I'm talking about. I know it's, an 8-minute lecture, but it is a good talk. I haven't, got a chance to sit down and make a straight talk through video. Hopefully I can sometime this week to really give y'all an update on mental, emotional, and my physical health. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. I don't know when my next video will be, but I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Oh yeah, baby, look at that skin. Look at that glow. This is a full close-up of my face in slow motion. It's so beautiful. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you later.